Fact Friday, and in this particular episode, we are going to be working on the frontal lobe or the prefrontal cortex. My new viewers, this is a series, so please look for it in my playlist. Thank you. Here we go. Let's get into it. The brain. It is also where my injury supposedly has taken place. I do not know this factually. I do know from certain tests that have been done, this is where they say the bulk majority of my particular TBI is originated. So in the prefrontal cortex, it controls empathy, insight, response flexibility, emotional regulation, body regulation, morality, intuition, intellect, social skills, mood, judgment, impulse control, attuned communication, fear modulation, working memory, planning and organizing. So, one of the things that people keep asking about is, how do I fix this? And if you look at this picture, the reality is there is no fixing it. You can do a detour. So if you look at this picture here, you can see that there's two open spaces. So the two open spaces we'll call that the TBI. We'll call that the part of the brain that has been injured. There's a road, and we'll call that the neuron. So the brain connection that we make, the road, okay, from the time of birth to the time of death is the road. And then the two holes that are in the detour are where the road got broken up when the injury occurred. So the reality is there isn't fix, there isn't a way to heal it. So let's just say, for example, that the first injury, you can reroute the path and create a detour. I know that sounds very heartbreaking, and I know that's not reassuring, but the reality is that there are some things that may or may not come of getting a head injury that are a blessing and may be found to be a blessing. In all the research that I've done, it does not say anywhere that brain injury can basically reverse itself. The damage is permanent. So reconnecting these pathways in another way. So learning to move your arm again, learning to feed yourself again, learning to dress yourself again. These are things that we've been able to do since the beginning of time. We've figured out how to make these things happen, and they can be repaired, they can be relearned. But there are certain things that we can't repair and we can't relearn. Today is Fact Friday. I'd like to thank you for joining me and have a great and safe weekend. Bye.